Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon milkshake. We're going to get started at the very top of our page with the whipped cream. So let's start with the curve. From left to right, we're going to go up and then down. Now let's go back to the left side. We curve around, almost like drawing a half circle. Go around and then pull that back in. Now we're going to start layering in the whipped cream. From this point, we're going to step up, draw almost like a C shape, going around and then in. Draw the bottom of the whipped cream. We're going to come down and then up. Now we're going to layer in some drips. We're going to step down here, we're going to curve down and up. Now let's add that first drip. Come down with a straight line, round out the bottom. Now we're going to pull this all the way up towards the top. Let's round out the right side of the whipped cream. Coming down, around, and then in. Now at the very top, we're going to add in the cherry. We're going to draw a circle in behind this curve. So we're going to start on the left side, go all the way around, and pull that in on the right side. Now from the top, we're going to step down and draw a curve. Coming down and up for the edge of the stem. Now in the center, we're going to curve up and over towards the right. Let's draw on the back side of the whipped cream. Starting here, we're going to curve up and in behind the cherry. We're going to go over towards the right side, curve out, and then down. Now let's just fill in this gap. We're going to step up, curve around, and then back in. Now we're going to tuck a wafer on the left side. Starting up here, we're going to angle up and out with a straight line. Come down and out towards the edge. Now the wafer is going to get narrower as we come in towards the whipped cream. Starting from here, we come in with a straight line. Let's add a little bit of texture to the wafer. Starting up here, we're going to draw a short line coming down, step over, draw another line coming down. Now we're going to cross this, going up, step down, and cross over that last line. Now we're going to add a straw over on the right side. So in behind the whipped cream, I'm going to angle up and out towards the right. Go out towards the right with a straight line. I'm just going to flatten off the end. Now we're just going to follow these two lines coming back in behind the whipped cream. Let's add some stripes. Up in here, we're going to draw a straight angled line. Step up, draw another line. Now we're going to add another stripe on the end. Starting from the top, we're going to angle down and over towards the right. Step over and do the same thing. Now we're going to add some sprinkles along the whipped cream. So we're going to draw a series of small ovals. I'm just going to change the direction randomly as we go across. And just a couple more on the end. Now the whipped cream is going to be sitting up on top of the cup. So let's start on the sides. We're going to angle down and in towards the bottom. So let's start on the left side, angle down with a straight line, and into right about there. Now we're going to go to the right side and angle in the opposite direction, coming down and in towards the same height. Now from the bottoms, we're going to curl this around and then come in. Just rounding it out. I'm just going to pull that into right about there, and do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to draw the stem of the glass. From here, we're going to draw a half circle, curving out and then back in. And on the right, we're going to go in the opposite direction. Now we're going to tuck an oval in behind the stem. So we're going to step up, curve out, round up the side, come down the middle, up on the right, and we'll pull that in. Now we're going to thicken up the side of the glass. So from the outside, we're going to step in, we're going to follow that same angled line, coming down, leaving even space gap all the way along the bottom. Round out the side. Now we're going to go straight across the bottom towards the right. Now again, we're going to round out the corner. Now we're going to follow that same angled line going all the way up towards the top. Let's add some eyes along the bottom. Starting on the left side, we're going to draw a small circle. Move over towards the right and draw the same thing. Now along the top of the eyes, we're going to draw a smaller circle for our highlight. And we're gonna fill the bottom area in black. Now let's move up and draw in the eyebrows. We're gonna draw a curve above the left eye, going up and then down. And do the same thing over on the right. Now we're gonna add the mouth in between the eyes. We're gonna start on the left side, we're gonna draw a curve, coming down and then up. Now let's add the tongue. From the corner of the mouth, we're gonna curve up and then just pull that down. And then the last thing we're gonna do is add a drip above the right eye. So we start with a point. At this point, we're gonna angle down towards the left, round out the bottom, come up towards that top point, and that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's our cartoon milkshake. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.